Welcome to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to be doing a tutorial working in After Effects creating cinematic 3D text. Let's get into it. In today's episode, we are going to be working in After Effects. Let's open it up. Let's create a new composition, name it 3D, and go to 3D renderer. Make sure that it is on Cinema 4D and not the usual classical 3D. Now let's create a new text, and we are going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in here. Align that, and we are going to create a new solid. Change that to whatever color that you want. Now we're going to use that as a background and place it under the text. Right click and make that a 3D layer. Same thing for your solid, make that a 3D layer as well. Go down to the geometry options and work on your extrusion depth. And grab your Z axis, pull that towards you. And for the solid, we're going to scale that just to fill up the frame a bit more. Let's create a new camera. We used a 35mm, and we are going to create a new light. We're going to make that a spotlight. And we are going to grab the Z axis, pull that back. And as you can see, there's some shadows, and place it wherever you want to place it. So what we're going to do is we're going to transform the light. We're going to keyframe our position, orientation, X, Y, and Z rotation. Bring that down. So what we want to do is we want to add some movements onto it, make it a bit more cinematic if possible. Move to the end of the scene and position that wherever that you want it to be at. Now we're going to do the same thing for the camera. Position, orientation, X, Y, and Z rotation. Now a shortcut to get access to your camera is pressing C. So we'll do the same thing at the start of the scene, and then we'll move it to where we want it to be at the end of the scene. And that's all we've got time for today. Be sure to tune in to the next one.